Hi everyone and welcome back to Rackham RC. There's a new addition to the RC family, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. This RC is unlike anything I got before, so it should be interesting. Boom! Pro boat. I got myself a boat. This is a Heatwave Recoil 2 18-inch ready to run. I believe it is a 3S ready to run brushless motor. Sweet. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So if you've been watching the channel, you know I don't have a boat yet, so this will be my first one. Upside down. It's upside down. Alright, let's take a look. An SLT3 comes with it. That's pretty nice. Some stickers, a book, an aerial cover. We got some batteries in here. And a 3S 1300 mAh 30C smart battery. Alright. Get this thing out of the box. It's a sharp looking little boat. So there it is. I'll be getting this out soon. Look at it the inside. Okay, maybe this is the stand in here. So I picked this up because I thought it'd be fun to get a boat, and it really wasn't that expensive. Comes with a brushless motor, self-righting. Looks pretty sweet. Nice, I'm gonna have to get this out this weekend. What do you guys think? Comes all with Spectrum motor and electronics. Yeah, I'm looking forward to get this out. Comes with some foam in there. Wonder if it's glued in so that it floats if it comes off. .3S brushless with south riding for about 200 bucks. I couldn't turn it down. I'm excited to get this out. assume this is supposed to be on here. There you go. That's my unboxing of my new Heatwave. It's called the Heatwave, but it's Recoil 2 is the real name of it, I believe. Special discount codes inside. Sweet. Thanks for watching.